Welcome to this guide on how to add and configure a new vendor in HelloBooks. In just a few steps, you will learn how to input company details, set up tax information, and configure payment terms to ensure your accounts payable remain accurate and organized. Start from your main dashboard. Navigate to the sidebar and click on Accounting Masters to open the configuration menu. Next, select Contacts from the menu options to view and manage your directory of business partners. On the Contacts screen, locate the Add Vendor button in the top right corner and click it to begin the registration process. Begin by filling in the required fields in the Basic Information section, such as the vendor's company name, display name, and primary address. Once the basic details are set, click on the Financial and Tax Details tab to proceed with the fiscal configuration. In this section, input financial, tax, and payment details of the vendor. Next, move to the Payment and Additional Details tab to finalize the operational settings. Here, select the default payment terms and method. You can also set the vendor status to active to make them immediately available for transactions. Review all the information you have entered. When you are ready, click Save Vendor to complete the process and register the new contact in your system. You have now successfully added and configured a new vendor in HelloBooks. To explore more advanced features or get a personalized walkthrough of the platform, contact us to schedule a live demo with our team today.